Most people believe you can't get rich if all you have is a salary. They think you need a business, an inheritance, or a lottery ticket. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you do with what you make. If you're smart with your paycheck, you can absolutely build real wealth, even if you never start a company or win the lottery. So in this video, I'll show you 7 proven tricks to turn your salary into long-term financial freedom. Trick 1. Automate your savings. The very first step is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, and definitely before you buy that new gadget, you need to automatically send a percentage of your paycheck into savings or investments. Think of it this way. If you make $3,000 a month and save 15%, that's $450. Over a year, that's $450, $5,400. But the real magic is when you invest that money. With compound interest, that $5,400 grows on its own. And here's the trick. Make it automatic. Set up a transfer the day your paycheck arrives. If you never see that money in your checking account, you won't be tempted to spend it. Trick 2. Live below your means, but smartly. Here's where most people fail. As soon as they get a raise, they upgrade everything. They move into a bigger apartment, buy a new car, upgrade their phone. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the silent killer of wealth. Think of it like this. Your salary goes up by $500, but your rent goes up by $400, your car payment by $200, and your nights out by $150. Suddenly, you're making more, but still broke. Here's the trick. Live like you're still earning your old salary. Bank the raise. That way, every raise makes you wealthier, not just more comfortable. Wealthy people don't always look rich. Your neighbor with the brand new car might be drowning in debt, while the guy with the old Honda might have $300,000 in investments. Which one would you rather be?
Trick 3. Eliminate toxic debt. Let's talk debt. Debt is like a financial prison, and the interest is your jailer. Meet Alex. He owes $10,000 on a credit card with 25% interest. That's $2,500 a year, just in interest. That's money that could have been invested, compounding, and making him wealthier. Instead, it's making the bank rich. So how do you escape? The avalanche method: pay off the debt with the highest interest first. It saves the most money long term. Or the snowball method: pay off the smallest balance first, then roll that payment into the next debt. It gives you quick wins and motivation. Either way, the key is don't just make minimum payments. Attack debt like your future depends on it. Because it does. Trick 4. Invest early, even small. Let me tell you about John and Mark. Both are 25 years old. John starts investing $200 a month into an index fund right away. Mark says, "I'll wait until I make more money." He doesn't start until he's 35. By age 60, John has over $500,000, even though he only invested for 35 years. Mark, despite earning more later, ends up with less than $270,000. Why? Because John gave compound interest more time to work. Here's the lesson. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest to get rich. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, start now. Waiting costs you more than you think. And you don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Low-cost index funds or ETFs are perfect. They grow with the market, and historically, the market goes up over time. Trick 5. Learn to increase your salary. Saving money is great, but let's be real. The more you earn, the easier everything gets. Think about Emma. She stayed at her job for 10 years, loyal, waiting for small 2% raises. Meanwhile, her friend Jake switched companies every 3 years, negotiated higher pay, and doubled his salary in the same amount of time.
Jake isn't smarter. He just knew his worth. Your salary is the engine of your wealth. Make it stronger by learning in-demand skills, asking for raises with proof of your value, switching jobs if your company doesn't pay you fairly. Remember, Every extra dollar you earn and invest can multiply into thousands in the future.
Trick 6. Create multiple buckets. Money without organization is chaos. Picture this. All your money is in one account. Rent, groceries, emergencies, vacations, it's all mixed. That's how most people live. Now picture this instead. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Retirement fund, for long-term wealth. Investment account, for growing money outside retirement. Fun fund, guilt-free spending on vacations or hobbies. When you separate money into buckets, 2 things happen. 1, you always know where you stand financially. 2, you stop overspending because your money has a clear purpose. It's like giving every dollar a job. No confusion, no wasted money.
Trick 7. Turn skills into assets. Your biggest asset isn't your job. It's you. Think about it. If you spend $500 on a new TV, that's just consumption. But if you spend $500 on a course that helps you get a $10,000 raise, that's an investment in yourself. Take Michael. He used part of his salary to learn coding. Within 2 years, he doubled his income. That one skill turned his paycheck into a wealth-building machine. Books, courses, networking, certifications, these are not expenses. They're tools that multiply your earning power. Use your salary to buy skills that pay you back for the rest of your life.
Bonus trick. Build income streams outside your job.
Here's the truth. No matter how good your salary is, relying on only one source of income is risky. If that job disappears tomorrow, so does your entire lifestyle. That's why wealthy people almost never depend on just one paycheck. They build multiple streams of income. And before you think I mean starting the next big company, relax. Side income can be simple. Freelancing skills you already have, starting a small online business, dividend-paying stocks, rental property down the road, even creating digital products like an ebook or a course. Think of it like this. Your salary is the foundation, but side incomes are the bricks that build the house of your financial freedom. The earlier you start building those extra income streams, the faster your wealth snowballs. Even $200 a month from a side hustle, invested consistently, can turn into hundreds of thousands over the years. So don't just work for money. Make your money, and your skills work for you. So there you have it. 7 powerful tricks plus a bonus to turn your salary into real wealth. Start applying even one of these today, and you'll already be ahead of most people stuck living paycheck to paycheck. And listen, this video is just the start. If you want more practical strategies to build wealth and take control of your money, make sure you subscribe right now. I've got even bigger tips coming, and you don't want to miss them. The sooner you start, the sooner you win. So hit subscribe, and let's build your financial freedom together.